channel, and today in this video we are going to be showing you guys 5 minutes craft or DIYs to do when you are bored at home. So these DIYs are literally so easy that if you don't know anything about crafting or DIYs, you can still make them and enjoy them. And yes, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
So first of all, I am taking this white page and painting some yellow strokes onto it, so they doesn't need to be perfect at all. And our yellow was too bright, so we decided to mix some pink color in it. And yes, so yellow mixed with pink color made a really nice peachy kind of color, and it was so beautiful, so we decided to make some random strokes mixing it with the color, as you guys can see. After you are done with the base, you can write whatever coat you like. So we decided to write this one as we liked this. So yes. So after you're done, you have to paste some flowers, and yes, we're using some small ones, and you can use whatever flower you like, and yes, paste them up with the tape. So for this next DIY, we are going to make some origami stars, and for this you'll need a colorful or any colored strip. So what I'm gonna do is to make a loop and then pass the end of the strip from the loop, and then we're gonna just fold the excess carefully at the back. Next thing you're going to do is to take the longer part of the strip, and you're gonna fold it on each side of the star, and yes, you're just gonna start folding it on every side. So you can see what I'm doing, and now you're gonna take the leftover part and you're gonna tuck it inside the pocket, which is in the star. So yes. simply gonna press the sides of the star and it will form a cute little origami star. And yeah, you are done with your cute little origami star. To make it a little more cuter and a little more presentable, you are just going to take a Nutella jar and make some colorful origami stars. So you're gonna just like put them all in the jar and it will look so cute, you guys. And yes, you are done with the DIY and it's pretty much easy and looks really cool and aesthetic. So yes. So for this next DIY, we are taking a branch of tree. If you guys have a garden or anything like that, you can just like take this kind of branch of tree from any like tree, so dried out tree. So yes, we are gonna take some colorful pom-poms and then stick them on with some hot glue gun. Done, we're gonna take the bottle we painted in the last video and I'm gonna put the branch in it. So this DIY is literally the easiest out of all. You just have to take a Nutella jar and a glitter sheet. Just cut the glitter sheet according to the size of the Nutella jar and just place it inside it and you're done.
Today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below to our channel and turn the notification bells on so you will be notified every time we post a new video. And our previous videos are linked in the description box down below or in the eye corner right here. So we will catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.